Hey, what's up, guys? Okay, um, I have three iPollos, right? Many ASIC miners. So what I decided to do was lower down the fan speed so I can quiet down the iPollos just a little bit more. Um, they're pretty quiet, but I wanted to quiet down a little bit more without them getting, overheated. So I'm gonna show you my settings, what I did. Let me just click on this, share screen. Okay, now let me just make it full screen over here. Okay, so as you can see here on this iPollo, yeah, this is the mini classic one. Um, this is only the 130 mega hashes, actually doing 148 mega hashes. So on the fan configuration, down here, when you click on fan configuration, it's already set to minimum fan 50 and maximum, and default fan was actually set to 100 and 100. I went down to 60. Okay, and I clicked save and apply. So I switched these to 60 and save and apply, and then I looked at running overview, and right now it's at 51% Celsius. Okay, so as long as it's not hitting like 55, I mean, if starts hitting like close to, about 55, then I would just actually move it up because I have my miners in the basement. My basement team seems to be cool there. It's usually cool there. So I set these from 60 to 60 to 60, and it's running pretty good. Everything, speed is good. So let me show you the other one. Okay, my other one over here. Show you this other one here. Show you this one. Is this the one? No, that's not the one. It's still the same one. Okay, let's switch that. Screen. Go to that one. Okay, this one. Okay, so this one is the faster one. I also updated the firmware version, is a V0.80.115. That's another thing that I did. But anyway, so this one is running at, this is the 300 mega hash one, and this one's running at 317 mega hashes, and I lowered it down. It was running about 7,000 revolutions per minute, and I brought it down to 5,200, and it's at right now 53.2. So I'm constantly watching it. If it hits 55 Celsius, then I would just make the fan go a little bit faster, maybe 65, because I got it set also. The minimum was already set to 50, and the maximum and default I switched to 60% fan speed. If anything, I'll bring it up a little bit, like maybe 65, and then see what happens there. And then I just click save and apply, which by lowering down the fan speed also reduces the noise. I don't have a problem with the other the other classic one, mini dose classic, that's slower, because it's pretty quiet. But the other one, that 300 mega hash ones, they're a little bit loud, not that loud, not disturbing, but I want to lower it down just a little bit, and everything's working pretty good. The speed of the mega hash, as you can see here, it's still, everything is still running at speed, and it's at 53 Celsius or whatever, but it's running pretty good. Like I said, the revolutions per minute, I have 51, about 51, 5,200, which it quieted down a lot, but it's running pretty good. I mean, if the spring comes, whatever, and it starts to get a little warmer down in the basement, I would just bring it up a little bit, maybe 65, 70% or something like that, and then see what happens with that. And that's pretty much it, guys, and that's it for the video. That's how I quieted it down a bit. and you could try it if you want, you know. So that's what I did. And that's pretty much it, guys. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys later on the next one. Peace out.